Hello, welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have more things from the car. Oh, look here. 64. This is one. I think this is the one I took to maybe test things with, and then I found it didn't work. I don't know. It's just one of the other ones. One of the other ones that I grabbed. So really, this needs to just slide gently under the table. And let's see what's in here. Oh, look. It's a Commodore 64. C614, not a short word. F keys seem dirty. Well, you know, that too, with great care, can go under the table. Now, is that all that's in this bag? Of course not. There's always more things. Always more things. Ha ha ha. Always more things. And then, I can toss that on the side. Now, what do we have here? Line cord that needs some winding. Yep. Yep. Okay. There we go. Line cords. Okay. And this one, oh look, it's got a cable tie. They're not a bad thing. This one has a toilet paper roll. And into the box. This one has a twist. Line cords are always good. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I had found another in the midst of things, and I stuck it in my pocket. It too has a toilet paper cord, and there's a bag. Plastic bag. Oh. Alright. Oh, here. Found this in the car. The box is 3.5-inch disc. Softwood right file. Program disc. City Test version 2 Java. That's it. Organize. VIP version 1 professional. Directly modeled after Lotus 123. Use Mirror 1.4. What are these for? Best new bills. Now, what are these for? This is IBM. This is something. I don't know. I don't know. Movie Sitter. Program disc version 1. Movie Sitter. General Clipart. TV show. Best demo. Best. Crossed off. So for these, I have no idea. I would think, as I found them on the freebie table after World Commodore, they might be for the Amiga. Maybe. I'll put them in the box room where Amiga things seem to have settled. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, I've been looking for this. Voltaren. What else? Oh, more recycling things. And another bag. This will be handy. I have some recycling together. And these are wooden spoons. I always seem to get extras of when I go to Chipotle. Oh man, this is heavy. This is heavy. This is heavy. What is in here? Ooh. It's a plastic bag. It's a box of 3.5-inch discs. Chess Master. Huh. What is it here? Chess Master 2000 version 1. Disney. Oh my. Disney. The Animation Studio. Demo reel. Disc 3. Animation Station. Tutorial disc. Animation disc. Main disc. Disney Animation Studio. Another disc. Number 2. Disney Animation Station number 1. Top Form 2. Top Form 2. Form is in flight. Accessory disc. Forms in flight. Program. Well, you know where they're going to go? Over to the box room. I really need to get set up again in the box room. Oh my. What is this? Oh, well, this is a thing that I found. And it's, yeah, you know what? It is kind of a dust cover. It might have been over a pet, but it has some serious holes. Anyway, it may, you know what, at some point, it might be handy. I'll take it to the pool room, where there are some pets. See what I can see. What is in here? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now here, I'm going to get stuff out of this bag. It's heavy. It's heavy, 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 heavy. I don't want to hurt things. Anyway, were a couple of 64 power supplies that I kept meaning to test while at the show, but I never got to. I never did. And here, oh, I think this is one of the power bars I was actually using. I did take a bunch of them because other times there's not a whole lot of plugs in there. Mind you, then you run into people who say that, oh, if you plug in, like remember, these things use like hardly anything. But there are people who like to think they know all about amps and things and stuff when they don't. Okay. Oh, funny. Every time I throw something like it seems to drift down. Alright, what's this? Oh, a little wee green jumper cable. I have more jumper cables up there. Now, is this whole mess just these two power supplies, or is there more? There is more. Look, it's a serial cable. And definitely, I did use this. Alright. Get it wrapped up. Wrapped up. I was going to keep wearing the Santa hat, but it doesn't do the microphone as well. There we go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. So here are a couple of Commodore 64 power supplies of dubious origin. In other words, I don't know. I don't know. And I did not get a chance to test them mostly. They sat on the floor while I said, oh yeah, I should test those. Where? Oh, there's the other end. But thankfully, I have a thing here. Thanks to Rudy of Rudy's Retro and Chill. .18 looks like a possible possibility. Certainly, it is not blowing the thing apart. Now here is another one. Once again, these things need to be tested with a real computer. .14, 5.15. Well, within acceptable parameters. So these all need to be checked on the 9-volt side, and the only way I know to check the 9-volt side is plug it into a 64 and very quickly decide if you want to leave it on or not. Well, look here, yet another line cord. Now, which there are many. I do need to gather more cables from the other room, the other door. Yeah, line cord. So, well, that went pretty quickly. So we have 3 power supplies at best. I should get, I know I have a 64 here. I know it. I just have to do all the figuring to get those monitors happy and connected. Well, they're connected. I just have to make sure I know what's what. Then I can plug in the 64, see if they're good, and then perhaps torment them a little bit, see if they want to stay being good. Alright, what was this bag? Is this another bag? Oh, that's the soldering bag. Okay, remember I specifically did put that in a different colored bag so I would know in case it came time to desolder. Indeed. Well, I suppose what I should do, because I have these 3 power supplies here, is I should see about shuffling this box and pushing this 8050 out of the way. And maybe I should put the, for the moment, extra power bars into the line cord box. But it's not full. Not yet. And then, what else? Yeah. Well, there's always going to be more stuff from the car. Always more stuff from the car. Oh, I got a YouTube notification. I wonder what that is. Probably a comment. Or maybe it's a like. How is my... Oh. Alright, I need to switch the Wi-Fi network to have any hope of getting anything to come through. Let's say, oh, it's from somebody on YouTube named James C2327, 11 minutes ago. It is checking the Commodore PET while in the pool room, and the comment is DB with 4 exclamation marks. That's the comment. Alright, well, is this still charging? It is. I am going to see what I can see about starting that. So, I guess these 2 boxes can go to the box room. Makes sense. And I will grab more things, and I suppose what I really should do is try and find a working 64 and do all the testing here on these power supplies, so at least I know what's what. And I suppose what I should do, and this should probably be a bin. I should look for a bin. No, probably get too heavy. Some sort of box to put Commodore 64 power supplies in that I have tested and that I somewhat trust. Mahahaha. Alright. My goal is to get a 64 that works to test this. We'll see if it actually works out. We'll see you in the next episode from the TV room. David Bradley, signing off. I'm your host. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.